I almost ignored SitePilot AI tool completely, but after testing it, I realized something that most people promoting this are not telling you. And honestly, if you don't know this one thing, you'll probably fail with it. In this video, I'm going to show you what actually happens when you use SitePilot AI. The one feature that surprised me the most, and the biggest mistake that can waste your time. So before you even think about buying this, watch this till the end. Because this is not your typical click button and make money AI tool. It works, but not in the way most beginners expect. So when I first logged into SitePilot AI, I thought this was just another AI website builder. Same dashboard, same promises, nothing special. And honestly, I wasn't impressed at all in the beginning. But then on day 2, I tried something different, and that's where things started to change. Instead of just creating a basic site, I actually tried to build something that could generate traffic and leads. And here's exactly what I did. I used their AI to generate content, optimized structure, and focused on one niche. And this is where most people go wrong. They just generate a site and expect results. That doesn't work. Now, before I show you the result I got, there's something important you need to understand. This tool is powerful, but only if you use it with the right strategy. Otherwise, it's just another unused software in your account. Results. Now here's what actually happened after testing it. Not insane, but definitely promising. But let me be real with you. This is not for people who want instant results. It's not 100% beginner friendly. And yes, you still need traffic. That's the truth nobody is talking about. Who SitePilot AI is for? This is good for you if you're into affiliate marketing. You want AI to speed up your workflow. You're willing to put in a little effort. But if you're lazy or expecting push-button money, this is not for you. Now, if you still decide to use SitePilot AI, I noticed one major problem with it, and that's exactly why I created some bonuses to fix it. Bonus 1. Animasly. This gives you access to high-quality video templates. So instead of just creating websites, you can create engaging video content that actually converts. Bonus 2. Prompts Profit Pack. This includes 3,000 plus ready-to-use AI prompts. So you don't waste time thinking what to create. You just plug in and generate results instantly. And that's not all. I'm also including my top 10 exclusive bonuses, designed to help you actually make money with this. So if you want to check it out, click the link in the description and make sure to grab it before my bonuses expire. So after testing SitePilot AI, would I recommend it? Yes, but only if you understand this. It's a tool, not a magic button. Use it smartly, and it can actually help you scale faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.